Thing number 7 that's hiding in the belly fat. Hey there, this is Bronwen Oehlschlager, and we are talking about the 46 things that I've discovered recently that are hiding in the belly area. We're talking about emotional things that are sending us to the fridge to try to get some comfort, cover it up, try to feel better. And I'm encouraging you to let that go, because we're talking about living life free of emotional eating and loving yourself slim. And when we're loving ourselves, we're in a space of peace and harmony, and things come up, and they come up and out, and these are the things we're talking about today. So these 46 things, I'm going to talk about one of them today, and let's jump in and talk about what that is. These are deep. Disharmony and feeling trapped in relationships. There are many different kinds of relationships. I've been in relationships where I've felt trapped before, and you know what? I made a decision, and I held in my mind that I wanted things to be different. I didn't want to just throw the relationship away. I love the relationship. But I held in my mind how I wanted that relationship to be. I set some boundaries, and in my mind, and I kind of just demanded that I get treated a different way. And when I demanded I get treated a different way, I acted in a way that attracted a better treatment. And things changed. And it's like it was a miracle. I had to hold on for this huge, long gestation period. And then all of a sudden, everything fell into place. It was magic. So I know that having a hard relationship can be intense, but I do want to encourage you to really assess your relationship. If it's a relationship that you feel like you need to stay in, then you can. There's a way. And what that looks like is holding in your mind a picture of what you want it to be, a scenario when you're communicating with this person of how you want that to look, because you've set your boundaries. And then when you're talking with them, you act as if, because it's in your head, you've got this whole story in your head of how it is to interact with this person. If you will hold that in your mind and actually imagine it, like use your whole pretending faculty, hold that picture in your mind, then when you're interacting with somebody, it can be in your head as if they're treating you well, and then you start showing up differently, and then they start showing up differently. But if it's to be, it's up to me. It's really something that you have power over taking that first step with, and then all of a sudden things change. So I encourage you to just think of how you want your relationships to be. Think of how you can stop feeling trapped. What do you need to hold in your mind? What do you need to do? How do you need to behave? What boundaries do you need to set so that you're just not feeling trapped anymore? So that the disharmony turns to harmony instead. I've experienced this myself. I know that it's possible, and I hope that you experience it too. Remember to assess the situation. Get professional help if you're in need of that professional help. Like I said, this is a very tricky topic. But if you're like me and it was just hard and disharmonious, you have some power. Take it and see if you feel better. Thanks for watching that video. I know that was a really touchy subject, but go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell. We're going to cover a lot of other things. You can also go to realandslim.com. You can get my cheat sheet, learn the physical things that you need to know in order to affect a physical change, and then address these emotional things. Secret number 3 is all about these emotional things. So you can go there and you can get a clue about what I'm talking about and get on the road to your game plan and where you can get some serious results. And I will see you next time.